Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I want to introduce myself. My name is Olyivia Rusma. Number identification 1923 1034. I'm from Natural Science Education, Class A, Padang State University. So this time, I will explain about an article that discuss volcanoes. This title article is Merapi erupted to time with a 6 km as cool. Before we delve deeper into this article, let us first consider what a volcano is. Volcanoes are cracks in the earth crust where molten rock collect magma and gas or other liquid come out onto the earth's surface. We can see in this picture. There is the earth crust which has a mountain that has a gap through which magma passes. The generation of smoke and so on. Volcanoes can experience what is called an eruption. Let us but understand what an eruption is. Eruption is a process of releasing material from volcanoes such as lava, gas, ash, and other into the air atmosphere or to the earth's surface in uncertain amount. This eruption can be interpreted as volcanoes. Eruption are a burst or hot oil and steam from the bubbles on the air. Volcanoes eruption occur because of movement or activity of magma from inside the air trying to get out to the earth's surface. Okay, after we understand about volcanoes and eruption, let's discuss the article we discussed earlier. Merapi is a volcano that is held in the central part of the island of Java. The southern slope are in the administration of Sleman Regency, Yogyakarta Special Region, and the rest are in the Central Java Province, namely Magelang Regency on the west side, Boyolali Regency on the north and the east side, and Klaten Regency on the southwest side. The forest area around the peak has been the Mount Merapi National Park since 2004. Mount Merapi has a height of 2,913 meters above sea level. There are several facts which are very interesting for me to study. It says here that the most active volcanoes in Indonesia. Mount Merapi erupts twice on Sunday. The eruption of Merapi was reported to have caused acid rain in Nines area in Magelang, Central Java. We can study this matter chemical. This is because acid rain is rain which has chemical elements that are harmful to the health of the body. This is the result of the eruption of volcanoes around their occurrence. Eunice, lung expert Wood is also the dean of the Faculty of Medicine. Eunice, Dr. Revenue said in the community must be careful. This is because volcanoes dust from volcanic eruption is very small, which is less than 2 micrometers, and contain a number of harmful substances that can cause respiratory dysfunction. So, if the dust comes from volcanoes, the dust is soft so it can enter. There are materials such as silica, iron, asbestos, and sulfur. If they can enter, the lungs can become inflamed if they alert in numbers, and it can also reduce the ability to filter oxygen in the alveoli. Apart from the volcanoes as content, there are still major elements such as aluminum and potassium and chemical compounds such as silicon dioxide 55%, aluminum oxide 18%, iron oxide 80%, calcium oxide 8%, and magnesium oxide 1%. The need for this element is very dangerous for our body. If the volcanoes does has reached its maximum limit, people are encouraged to stay indoor and avoid outdoor activities. The maximum limit for air quality required by human is 115 microgram per meter cubic. To reduce respiratory problem caused by volcanoes, as people are advised to use masks when outdoor. This article it says the volcanoes has also affect the Dukan district, which includes Ngorongkumuyo village and Kinagar village. He mentioned that as rain in the Serubung district area was rather heavy, but community activities were still running normally. This really made me very sad. Where is place where as is very heavy community activity are running normally? Do they not know how dangerous the ice rain is? Maybe I really hope the government will give advice and information to the community to avoid maintain security and know how the impact of the ice rain will be, and also let raise awareness and always follow the government appeal so that no one is harmed. Furthermore, in the article it stated that the first eruption of Mount Merapi was recorded on a seismogram with an amplitude of 75 micrometer. This first eruption formed an eruption column approximately 6,000 meters from the peak. This is very surprising, where the result of this eruption can make a column as high as 6,000 meters. This we can examine physically, where this can happen because of the high pressure in the process of magma fluid that move upward to the crater channel and out can enter to a clogged crater canal. This can cause an explosion known as a volcano eruption. The greater the pressure and volume of magma, the stronger the explosion will occur. And this pressure occurs because the result of the heat in the bowels of the earth is from the magma itself, which can reach a temperature of 1000 degrees Celsius. From this heat is caused the exit pressure, which causes the magma to try to get out of the gap due to the past from to heat, so that there is very explosion strong until it can reach 6,000 meters like this on Mount Merapi. Okay, that's all for me. Sorry for my mistake, and thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.